Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another video. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing those lobster dunks. Oh yes, the orange joints do go crazy, man. It's only right that I give you that on feet, and you know I got to give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back, man. And so first things first, I gotta say Happy New Year, man. 2023 is here, man. We outside, don't nothing change, you feel me? We just gonna keep on progressing, you feel me? I got my box right here, man. You already know the vibes. These are straight from the sneakers app. As you can see, we do have that that Nike box right here, man. So you know what time it is, man. Let me go ahead and peel back, gang. For the first time in 2023, we're gonna go ahead, give it a good old peel, and let's see what we got, man. Let's go. Oh yes, you already know, man. We got that good old Nike SB box right here. We got the Nike SB box, very colorful joint. Now this isn't the one that Concepts released, as far as, you know, there was one with like a big a bear brick and like some extra stuff. This is the one that you get straight from the sneakers app, you feel me? So I was able to hit on sneakers, man. I was shocked. I was very happy, to say the least, man. And so let's get into this shoe. So it says Nike Dunk Low OG QS Quick Strike, you feel me? Orange Frost Electro Orange. Let's go ahead and take a look at this label. There we go. And I did get a size 10, which is my true size, you feel me? So let's go ahead and do this, man. Let's open it up. This is gonna be my first look in hand. You know, I've seen a lot of pictures online, but we got that good paper right here. Let's go ahead and open this. Boom. Looking good, man. Let's go ahead. We got one right here, man. And I mean, the joint, it looks crazy, man. Right here, we do have that electro orange. We have that all bright orange up top. We do have this, you know, you usually put this on the lobster claws. Let me go ahead and take it off. It's just like a little rubber piece, you feel me? And I won't be wearing these when I actually bust them, like wear them somewhere, because this will probably break after a couple of wears. So put that in the box, man. But yeah, we got very nice all orange shoe. We have some very good details right here where you can kind of see like that lobster print right around that toe box area. And it feels like we have a suede, somewhat of a suede right there. We got those clean SB shoelaces right here. Nice white puffy. I always like to call this the puffy tongue, because you get that extra cushion on there, you know, for all the skateboarders and all of that, you feel me? Now I won't be skateboarding these because, one, I don't know how to skateboard, and two, if I did, I still wouldn't skateboard in these, man. I just want to wear them because they look good, you feel me? But yeah, we have that Nike SB right here labeled on the tongue. The inside, one of those details I like, we have that orange kind of picnic table vibe in there, you feel me? Let me go ahead and take a look at this insole. The insole does match as well. You kind of get that same picnic vibe as the liner right there. On the bottom, we do have we have the standard Nike Dunk bottom, all orange. We have that midsole in black, you feel me? So I mean, this is just a very clean shoe. I feel like this was my favorite, but I also like the SB. The Brooklyn Dodgers, those were pretty fly. I did not get those, but those were fly too. So these are probably my favorite SBs to come out in 2022. And it's only right that I give you guys the video, because we starting a new year off right, man. So yeah, I got to give you that on feet. And, you know, stay tuned for the outfit ideas.
And so right here, I do have the lobster dunks on, and I mean, they look good. I do have on the orange socks, just so you can get like an idea of how they look with the orange socks. And I did a review on these socks, the whole pack that Nike came out with, on one of my previous videos. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description for that. But I mean, the shoe is definitely nice. I would say that these are more of a snug fit. And it might just because it might be because the SBs do have that kind of more puffy tongue. They also have a little bit of an elastic on the inside that keeps the tongue down, you know, something that you might need for skateboarding. But the shoe definitely fits good, and I'm glad to have them. And right here I do have the white socks on, and I feel like it's a good look. I like the way that they kind of brighten up the shoe, and the way the tongue and the laces all kind of flow with the white socks. This will probably be my go-to, just because it's definitely really clean. You know, I got outfit ideas coming, man, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And right here I do have the Nike woven shorts on in black. You know, the black shorts is definitely a go-to for me, and the woven shorts, you can't go wrong with those. So, you know, check out some of my other videos on woven shorts if you haven't already. You know, we got the Giants t-shirt. This is a 2-button t-shirt. We got that Hat Club exclusive, you know, Giants hat, peel back pin, you know the vibes. Pink bottom joint. You know, this is just kind of like one of those daytime fits, you know, where you just got that sun out, you know, you got the vibes going, and you just want to throw them dunks on. And right here I do have the dunks on with some joggers. Now these are actually from Black Taylor. This is the Black Taylor cargo pants, and they do have a jogger bottom on them. And in this outfit I'm just kind of playing on that black midsole. So, you know, we got the black pants, get that, you know, little combo going right there, man. But like I said, definitely a good look. And we have the bomber jacket, which is from H&M, and the pants kind of have that similar, you know, that bomber style. We got the zippers at the bottom, kind of in that cargo pants, the cargo pocket area. And we got the black dome, you feel me, Hat Club joint, Baltimore Orioles. We just, you know, putting on things that look good, things that feel good. This is something you can wear at night, movies, you know, go get a little bite to eat or whatever. But yeah, just a clean little cool fit. And right here I did decide to do a lace swap with the teal laces that did come with them. They did come with the teal, they came with the white, and they came with the orange as well. So I wanted to give you guys just a different look. So this is what they look like with the teal laces in. I have the light blue jeans on, you feel me? And yeah, take a look at this outfit idea. And right here I do have on the dunks with the Dan Marino throwback right here. This is the Miami Dolphins throwback, you feel me? Michelin-esque replica collection. And I mean, it's a good combo. I'm not really one to wear jeans with jerseys, but I feel like the jeans go pretty decent with this one. I'm more of a shorts guy whenever I throw a jersey on, but I mean, the shoes look good. You got that different color, you know, that color pops. And yeah, I feel like it's definitely a good look. Remember, don't forget to like this video, comment which outfit was your favorite of the 3. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.